Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Rakesh Shah. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. And as you can see, the title of the series is basically about step-by-step instruction for anybody who wants to go to Antarctica, because this is a dream for a lot of people. Like I had that dream and my dream materialized. So I'm going to tell you exactly what it takes philosophically, logistically, how much it costs and how to go there, what are the gateway towns, whether to go through the Drake Passage or not, and what to expect in the cruise, how about the internet, what is cruising, what is zodiac, the penguins, and whole 9 yard, everything, the polar plunge. So watch the whole series, because every video will have a lot of nuggets about exactly how you can make your dream a reality. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the video number 1, where I'm going to talk about philosophically what it takes to go to Antarctica. So see, Antarctica has been my dream for time, and now I say had been because it is now a reality. So that's why I gave the title Dream to Reality, because it takes a lot of logistic and a lot of other things that I'm going to talk in the next slide. So this is our picture. You can see pristine waters of Southern Ocean on Antarctica. And this was our 7th continent. And we're really happy and blessed to be able to do that. And we're going to share exactly what it takes. We went there from November 30th to December 11th. Not everything was in Antarctica, because obviously it takes time to reach Santiago and next and next. The actual dates in Antarctica was from December 2nd to December 7th. So 5 nights, 6 days kind of a thing. Okay. So what it takes to go to Antarctica. So there are 4 different things. There are 4 pillars, you can say. That, this is a little bit philosophical discussion, but it's very important to understand that first of all, it takes burning desire, because those who have been to Switzerland or Iceland or northern Norway or Alaska, we all have seen the snow and ice and glaciers. So it's no different if you think that way. But then there's something different that you won't find anywhere else, which is silence, because there's no human habitats. Nobody lives there actually, except tourists and the researchers. So that particular, the total silence, you will not see or feel anywhere else. So you have to have that burning desire to feel that silence with the vast, endless white desert, and just non-stop white, white, and white, and then ocean. That's all, nothing else, and few penguins. That's it. There's nothing else. So you have to be excited about that, because sometimes people say, "Oh, what else is there to see?" Yeah, this is what is that. No, there's nothing to see. That is what to see. So that burning desire is the first thing that you all have to have, is that, what, I want to go to the 7th continent. I want to go to the bottom of the world, and nobody can give that desire to you. That has to come from within. And then the next comes health. Obviously, it's not a big hiking or trekking like going to Everest Base Camp or anything like that. But still, if you're going an expedition cruise, the land itself, and you're going to be hiking a little bit, and it takes a little bit of flexibility in your joints and health to go through those things. I'll show you some of the videos, how what I mean by that. So obviously you need health, plus you are at the bottom of the world with practically no real medical facility. There is a doctor in the house, but it's just a basic thing. So if something happens to you there, it can be a real nightmare to get you out of there. They have everything figured out, but still it's not that easy to get a medical help. So you really need a good health. And then obviously you need a money, because this is not like going state or a next city. It takes a lot of money to get there, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. And obviously time, because time can be anywhere between like we did, like actual time in Antarctica could be only 7 days versus 15 days. So it depends on how much you want to devote, but you need at least 12 to 13 days of your life to get to Antarctica. And so you saw that it takes 4 different things to go to Antarctica, at least 4 different things, a lot more than that, but minimum these 4 pillars. And out of that, the 4th one, the money part, I didn't talk about it in this episode because it's a big topic, and I'm going to devote whole episode on that, but before that, in the next episode, I'm going to talk about the location where most comfort minded tourists go. Okay, the exact location, because I didn't have any idea before I went there exactly where we go when we say Antarctica, because it's so big. So I'm going to talk about that in the next episode. And if you like this video, I would recommend just continue watching the whole series, and also if you can subscribe and like the channel, that would be great. And if you feel even more generous, feel free to share it with somebody, and also write a comment. I will be glad to get back to you. So we'll see you in the next video number 2. Okay, thank you.